Hi everyone, it's Amelia from Taipec. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use a sealing machine, and it's a lot easier than you might think. Now make sure the sealing machine is plugged in and turned on. The beeping sound is fine, just make sure you turn that knob. Like so. Now set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to take off all of these pieces. Now it's time to set up the sealing film. We're going to need this piece that has the cog on the end. You're going to take it apart, like so, and then get the end of the sealing film. This section will go inside of here, and then this section will slot in like so. Now using these two pieces, you're going to put them at each end of the roll. Like so. Now you're going to be putting the roll onto the right hand side, like so. And then attaching this one to the other side. You're going to make sure that the film goes through here, underneath this clip, down, and then goes in between this little blue clip here, then underneath and follows through, and make sure that it's above the two metal prongs in here. Now it's time to put the clips back on. Now make sure the machine is set from automatic to manual. Put the cup into the holder, and then press start. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to check out our other how-to bubble tea videos.